Thinking about selling your home but worried about those costly renovations? Let's face it, updates can be overwhelming, expensive, and time-consuming. But what if I told you there's a way to maximize your home's value without paying a dime up front? Sounds like a dream, right? At Turnaround Properties, we make that dream a reality with our Remodel Now Pay When Sold program. It's simple, stress-free, and designed with you in mind. Here's how it works. We partner with you to transform your home into a buyer's dream. Whether it's a fresh coat of paint, modern kitchen upgrades, or a stunning bathroom remodel, we handle it all, from start to finish. And the best part? You don't pay a single penny until your home is sold. Imagine listing your home at top dollar, knowing it stands out in the market. Imagine getting the offer you've always wanted, without the financial strain or hassle of upfront costs. That's the power of Turnaround Properties. Don't let those what-ifs hold you back. Let us help you unlock your home's full potential and sell with confidence. Ready to take the first step? Call Turnaround Properties today and ask about our Remodel Now Pay When Sold program. Turnaround Properties, your partner in transforming homes and lives.